Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
What's the nerve?
I love it. I just want to say I don't need any presents at all as long as I have such wonderful...
Cab, I'm surprised. You know you need to be extra careful and watch for pedestrians in alleys like...
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PP.
Soldier, come on by Sergeant's surplus hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have too much...
Pleased to see me? They've never seen me pulling a train before. Oh, it's nice of them.
Who'll be jamming now?
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection. Oh,
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting Genius.
what?
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get her done. Doggone it. This is about my hook, ain't it? I know I should have checked it, but I can't.
What just happened?
Everything okay? If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No, it...
Hey, made her enough. Will you stop that?
Stop what?
That driving backward stuff, it's creeping.
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McMee!
It's okay.
Glad he's gone.
Word, sweet pea. My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
Guys, let's go this way.
Okay, okay.
Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a...
Take care of this. Dragon style!
Spinning dragon attack!
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will...
A little bit of training.
Actually care about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
And what's going to happen to all of us if Flo leaves town and closes her station? What? So don't... Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing...
I hereby dub thee.
He emerged 36 days later, running on a fuel he distilled himself from the natural elements.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.